Previously on Sailing Inconceivable.
Lynn admiring her handiwork.
In the middle of making a sail cover.
15 feet, 11 inches.
We'll have a tab here to cinch it back.
Now for circumference.
20 inches.
He's doing a little work on the sail cover.
Throw that right there.
Lynn is fixing our sail cover. Yay!
Best use of cloth worked. Scraps from the X.
The X.
Thanks, Steve. So now I'm going to cut a pretty line. Longer and taller at the head of the sail.
Because it never really fit very well.
They shrink a little.
It did end up ripping because we were just...
So I saved all this grommet stuff and pop rivet. I have to figure out how it all fits back together now that I took all the parts apart. I hope you like your Franken cover. It's gonna be nice to have this done. Sort of like sail cover. The sail head goes in there. And the body of the sail goes in here. Oh, I was going to put a thing back here. It wasn't. Pull it back.
Once again, I find myself on board Inconceivable. This time I'm going to replace the sail cover. Yay! It. That's nice. Looks like a sailboat now. Yeah. So much better than that cobbled together thing. Ah, nice. Before I head home, I want to give a shout out to my friend Craig. Craig gave me this over the weekend. It's a bosun's whistle as a wedding present. Oh. Yeah, I have to work on my technique, but that's pretty neat. Thanks, Craig. Awesome.
He hates that thing as much as I do. This stupid pool noodle.
I let Max rip the pool noodle to shreds and wasn't thinking environment. Lynn is much more environmentally aware.
Pool noodle situation, yow.
What you got there, Lenny?
Stupid plastic garbage people. You want more water? Like mommy's mean. I want it to stay sandy. You're good. All cooled off.
All right, gonna install the battery switch properly. I want to be able to turn it on and off from inside the cabin. So I'm gonna have to mark out the hole, cut the hole, make sure I have bolts that are long enough. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to mark. We'll figure it out. That's what we're doing today. Excellent. Tool bag.
Uno más in the boat. Okay.
Half inch. Looks like 9/16. That is 9/16. I still haven't gotten a 9/16 inch crescent wrench, and I need to measure it.
I'm hungry again. Like ravenous.
All right, that's 3 and
You want to get on the floor, Max? Drink
40.
water?
11/16. 3 and 11/16. Let's call it. It's not too big. No. Dear Blue Sea, make a cutout template in the packaging for the product. All right? That would be really handy. A cutout template, the screw / bolt hole template, that would be really awesome. You have packaging that comes with the product, it could just be part of it. Even if it's just a trace and we cut it out, that would be helpful. Because you also designed this piece with a slight taper, so I can't, and this doesn't, I can't, that would be really, really helpful. I'm just gonna draw it on a piece of paper and do what should already come with it. It's a fine product that you make. You could just make its installation a little easier for Joe Schmo. What you got? Poop bags.
Here's my blanket.
Oh boy, here we go. Alrighty then.
Should I go get you cheeseburgers?
Oh my God.
Can we handle more cheeseburgers?
Maybe not. You know, maybe it's salad time. Andy came by yesterday with a bucket of porgies and one really beautiful bluefish. It's really nice bluefish.
Yeah, we didn't get the bluefish.
I wasn't gonna ask for the bluefish.
Of course not.
But he gave us 3 porgies and we grilled those. It was amazing. I haven't cleaned a fish since I was like 13. And I don't think I actually, now that I think about it, I think my dad cleaned it and we just stood around watching guts coming out of a fish. So
we should eat some ginger today.
Okay.
And we should invest in wasabi powder. Because God knows what kind of parasites we have right now.
Oh, that's a thing? We cooked the shit out of those. We put them on the grill and they were delicious. Just got them and then inside olive oil, salt, pepper, and I put a little bit of this like mixture, Chesapeake Bay kind of, really good. Right? Those were really good. Although
Yes.
porgies are freaking bony. All right.
Although it's really well balanced.
All right, we're getting a little distracted now. My project is this. I am going to install this. I just need to track down a piece of paper and I'll trace it. I've got the measurement. Already forgot what it was. It's 3 and 11/16. So I'm gonna make a little hole, 3 and
Measure 3
11/16.
times.
Measure 3 times.
Cut once.
Yeah.
Don't forget.
44 64ths is 11 16ths. Check my math, internet. I need a piece of paper. Just a piece of scrap paper. I have my Skepticamp flyer. Mitchell, I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to cut this up. I'm going to keep this because I want to go to Skepticamp. You have what?
Purple scissors and my needlepoint.
Okay. Thank you, NYPD. Purple scissors.
I was thinking cardboard because they wouldn't deform as you're going around.
That's a good idea.
Is it?
Yeah. I like the cut of your jib. All right.
You can hand me that.
It's Lynn's needlepoint.
Oh,
That's it.
and the awning. The white one. Thank you so much. You're the best.
All right. Clear some space.
You're such a ham. Are you a ham on all these videos?
Oh, these nice little scissors. Oh, I have these. You gave me these.
Those are bandage scissors. Those should be with the
Oh,
first aid kit.
good. I'll add these to our first aid kit.
Where are they?
Patrick brought this on board, but it wasn't as light as it is right now. Thank you, Patrick. It's a real ad for Victoria beer. All right. And a nice dark ring. Yes. Oh, baby, that's a pretty good fit. Our nice little template. We are going to put this against the wall. All right, there's our existing hole. That seems pretty good. Should I tape it or should I just mark it? My gut says just mark it. That looks pretty good. I think we're gonna go with that. That looks pretty good. But the proof, that's pretty freaking good.
Do you need help?
No, not yet. I might need help eventually.
I'm busy.
Oh, jeez. How's that look?
Hot.
Let's put the screw into early. And then I can attach it from the other side. There, that is secure. That looks smart. That looks better. Washer. Yay! That feels good. Good. Let's wire it up. I gotta go in there. Getting kind of good at this. Awesome. One, two, common, groovy. Let's do this. Could you, A, turn on the switch, so both.
Both as in 1 and 2.
1 and 2, yep. Now just throw the bottom breaker on the breaker panel. Tell me if the light turns on. Okay, turn it off. Our battery switch works.
Yay, Hansi! Woo! I want pizza.
Next week on Sailing Inconceivable. This was great. Really amazing. It's inconceivable!